Luckily for me, I already have it available, so I'm going to type it all in. I'll let you have a minute to type it in. We can press pause while we get that done first. All right, if we've all got our information in here now, then it's super easy using Excel to make a graph out of it. In fact, in the future, as you get older in school, your lab report should have pictures that are generated on Excel that are charts. So it's super easy to do. All we have to do is highlight everything. So what I did is I clicked and held, and I want to get everything. I don't want to go too much, and I don't want to go too far past. I just want to get this exactly. When I have all of that highlighted, all I need to do is insert a chart, because it can take our information and do all the work for us. The kind of graph that we want to make or chart is a line chart. So if I look at my options here, we can fiddle around with this later, but right now we just want a really basic line chart to look at a comparison of how the temperature changes over time. We'll just pick the first one, which is the simplest one, and all I have to do is press it, and it actually does half the work for us right here. Look, it's already got our axes on either side, but it's up to us now to start typing in the other bits of information. So if you want, you can slide it into place, just grab the whole thing, right? And you can even take the corner and make it a little bit bigger so it's easier for you to read. Now, right off the bat, this is a good start, but I see that there's quite a few things missing in here. It's missing a title. Each of our axes needs to be labeled as well. And showing our data with this huge range all the way from 0 to 45, our temperatures were never near 0 and they were never near 45, so we want to tighten that up too. So I'll show you how to do all three. But first we'll start really easy. If you got your little formatting thing, should be on the side here. There's different things that we can add information to that wasn't added before. So a title, right? We want to give it a title. A good one would be albedo temperature, which means looking at how the albedo temperature changes over time. So I've got that put in there, and it does it by itself. We can change the horizontal one, which is the one down here, and that is showing, it says all those seconds, so that means it's showing time. We want to say that it's in seconds too, so I would say time in seconds. And the only thing left on here that we can change is the up and down value. The up and down value is our temperature, so I can put temperature, and that's in what kind of scale? We use Celsius.